If you're happy to hear something, you say, Ha mi tolletje sin a chloinjin. I'm happy to hear that. Ha mi tolletje sin a chloinjin. Ha mi tolletje sin a chloinjin. Cymar a haw o'ch a triana. Jeit a neach.
Ja neach. Haw per uracum.
Ha mi tolletje sin a chloinjin. Jei lo per a hawn.
Rŵn ar an yn office.
Je neach. Good news. Je neach. Je neach. Bad news would be droch neach. Droch neach. Ha oper uracum. I have a new job. Ha oper uracum. Ha oper uracum.
And the new job was Roonere own an office. A secretary in an office.
To say you're sorry to hear something, you say, Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjin. I'm sorry to hear that. Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjin. Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjin.
Kaartje wel jain.
Wat toepestekken? Ach, ben je kerst geleor?
Tja tjaar. Kaartje wel.
Hoogtje, agus vrisje a gas. Hij aan zijn hospital.
Oh, jain, boch. Geen misschien je al een gaia dit.
Hallo, jeit a neach gegaivi.
Wat toepestekken je mag kra?
Jei hachid.
Vrisje a gas.
Ha mi tulich sin a chloinjin.
Tupest. An accident. Tupest. Tupest. Va tupest ecke. He had an accident. Va tupest ecke. Va tupest ecke.
Je ha kiar. What's wrong? Je ha kiar. Je ha kiar. And the reply was, Huche. He fell. Huche. Huche.
Vrishe a gas. He broke his leg. Vrishe a gas. Vrishe a gas.
Fe machine agal the chayet there. We must go and see him. Fe machine agal the chayet there. Fe machine agal the chayet there.
Je hacher. What happened? Je hacher. Je hacher. To ask whether someone heard about something, you say, Yn gwodd shiv muyein, followed by whatever it is the news is about. Yn gwodd shiv muyein. Yn gwodd shiv muyein. The familiar form is Yn gwodd tu muyein. Yn gwodd tu muyein.
Een goole to me geen ien. Braad maadi.
Wel, goole. Goole me kwelien, ja gezellig dat je valafle gele.
Ze kallen me geen scho.
And call to my Ian, Brahar Madi. Did you hear about Ian, Mary's brother?
A falav lechele. Going out with each other. A falav lechele. A falav lechele. Chwle. Chwle me go vil Ian agus erlasit a falav lechele. Yes, I heard that Ian and Elizabeth are going out with each other.
The man added, "She Callum a Yinshko." It was Callum who told me. To ask whether someone has heard something, you say, "An coolatu," followed by "Gevil." For example, "An coolatu geveliat atolla fosig." Have you heard that they are going to marry? An coolatu geveliat atolla fosig. An coolatu geveliat atolla fosig.
Chullig mi Ian agus Ellis at y Gaelic roedd.
Oh, chwala mi gyfel at y dol o ffosig.
Fel, ha mi talich diolch loinging.
Chwalami gyfiliad a dolafosig. I heard that they're going to marry.
And the reply, "Hamitolichtje a chlointjen." I'm pleased to hear it.
To ask if someone heard that someone got something, you begin with "An coolatu gunduer." An coolatu gunduer. An coolatu gunduer runet car oor. Did you hear that Rachel got a new car?
Hallo, weet het. Tjatol.
Yn chwala tu gyda rhanach car yw'r
Chachwla. Jane shares a hand.
fiesta, ha mi ysmynachar.
Chachola. Jane Shaw's a hound. No. What kind is it? Chachola. Jane Shaw's a hound. Chachola. Jane Shaw's a hound.
And Myrat replied, "Fiesta ha mi ysmynachig." A fiesta, I think. It's your turn to have a go, using the informal forms.
What's your news? Jeteneach. Jeteneach.
Just the usual. Dierig an avist. Dierig an avist.
Is there anything new? Avel kalas ur. Avel kalas ur.
Nothing new at all. Chanil kaal asur. Chanil kaal asur.